Hello students, today we will continue our chapter Globalization and the Indian Economy. Yes students, now we will discuss interlinking production across countries. Globalization is the rapid integration of countries through foreign trade and foreign investment by MNCs. The money that's spent on buying assets such as land, buildings, machines, and other resources is called investment. When MNCs made this investment in different countries, then it is called foreign investment. Now we will discuss. There are various ways in which the MNC set up or control production in other countries. Number one, to set up production jointly with the local companies. MNC set up production jointly with some of the local companies of these countries. Benefit of local companies is twofold. How it is twofold? Number one, MNC can provide money for additional investment like buying new machine and faster production. Number two, MNC might bring with them latest technology for production. There are two things we have discussed: additional investment and latest technology. Now, second point, to buy up local companies. How it is possible? We will discuss with the help of an example. MNC with huge wealth can quite easily buy the local companies. Cargill Foods, a very large American multinational company, it has bought our smaller Indian company, Parak Food. Parak Food had built a large marketing network in various parts of India. Parak Foods had 4 oil refineries whose control has now shifted to Cargill. Cargill is largest producer of edible oil in India. Many of the top MNCs have wealth exceeding the entire budget of developing country. Number 3, place orders for production with small producers. Large MNCs in developed countries place orders for production with small producers. Garments, footwear, sports items are examples of industries where production is carried out by large number of small producers around the world. Production are supplied to MNCs which then sell under their own brand. These large MNCs have power to determine price, quality, delivery, and labor conditions for these distinct producers. So we have discussed there are a variety of ways in which the MNC are spreading their production. Now we will discuss foreign trade and integration of markets. Foreign trade creates an opportunity to sell the goods and compete with producers of other countries. It enables a buyer to take advantage of a variety of choices by importing the goods. Each producer can compete closely with the competitor even if they are very long distance away. For example, effect of Chinese toy manufacturers over Indian toys manufacturers. Indian toy manufacturers sold toys at high rates. Chinese manufacturers found the opportunity to sell plastic toys with low rates, so gaining the markets for their products. This has led to decreased sale of Indian toy manufacturers. Now, again, our government is emphasized on Atmanirbhar Bharat and more stress on the toys also, production of toys. Yes, friends, in general, with the opening of trade, goods travel from one market to another. Choice of goods in the markets rises. Prices of similar goods in two markets tend to become equal. Producers in the two countries now closely compete against each other. So, foreign trade results in connecting the markets or integration of markets in different countries.